What's up, everybody? This is Jay from Volunteer Garage coming at you live and local, and we're actually shooting a video today of driving this. We're going to take my 1948 Chevy out for a spin. Like I said before in a previous video, it's just a small block Chevy. It's bore 40 over with hyper protective, whatever, I can't ever say that word, pistons in it. I mean, nothing too major. Vortec heads and comp 280/480 cam. I mean, it's not a whole, it has headers on it. I was going to shoot a video of what it's like to riding in the car, because it's doesn't have any mufflers. I have no mufflers on. I was going to put mufflers. I was going to have custom exhaust built from my buddy John at Stainless Specialties. He actually builds custom exhaust for stainless steel, I should say, 100% stainless steel exhaust for anything. You can check him out on the internet, stainlesssteelspecialties.com. But he's going to build me tip mufflers that come out somewhere right in here. We had it all mapped out and everything, and decided not to go with it because I just like the way it sounds. It sounds awesome. Alright, all the tire pressures are all checked. I'm glad I checked them because the front two were in the 20s. The rear was just barely 30, so glad I checked that. But anyway, I checked all the fluids and everything. Like I said, I haven't started this car up since, really, well, actually, early December. I made a short video of it. Yes, I know my steering wheel's still upside down. I haven't fixed that yet. Kind of lazy. But let's see what we got. Turn that radio off. Let's see. I haven't started this car up in a while, so I don't know if it'll start. Well, it's wanting to. I got my sidekick with me today. She's just riding along, doing what she does, playing on her phone, talking about it. But we're riding around, and the speedometer doesn't work. I gotta fix that. The speedo cable broke on it. Not a big deal. I won't give it too much grief since it's licensed since the 40s. But yeah, this is riding around in it. The other cool part is on a cold day like today is the temperature doesn't really move a whole lot. I don't even have the fans on. No hood and aluminum radiator, I guess you don't need fans. What do you think about it? Heat works pretty good, doesn't it? I told you, it's on low. This is back when they had man and women vehicles. You only have high and low and heat. Man and women? Yeah. Instead of pansies that have to have certain temperatures at certain degrees, you had high and low. Defrost was just a vent. Air conditioning was a floor vent. But it's not too loud for open header.
It just feels weird not having a seatbelt.
Yeah, I know it does. Since I'm so used to putting a seatbelt on, you have no seatbelts. That's for your butt hurters out there.
Well, it just makes you feel naked like you don't have nothing on.
Yeah. About to get up on APD 40 here in Cleveland. Just get a little bit of speed. Speed limit's 55, 60. We'll see what we can do. You think so? Yeah. Now we're in overdrive. Half throttle action.
You made that old man look over the road.
You think the old man was freaking out about the little half throttle action there? Got a 700 R4 transmission, just a small block Chevy, like I said, 350, bored 40 over, and it's got a polished crank in it, comp cam. It has a Edelbrock carburetor. It's just a 600 carburetor. It's kind of choking it down. I'm going to fix that problem here soon. But yeah, just cruising right along. places. Let's just put it that way.
And not bring back the same.
Yes. Let's just say they would come back extra muddy. And he learned what locking in your duals is. But he was flatbedding, so we'll give him the benefit of the doubt because they send you to some crazy places. A car, well, I don't think you can see it. Car graveyard back behind this trailer. Been there for years. Oh, good at me about what's in fourth gear. Rush hour. Of course. And all-wheel disc brakes. Stop really good. I like your hair over there on the side. Yeah, it's fancy. There you have it, folks. This is just riding around in my car today with my lovely sidekick, GF. The GF. Hope you guys enjoyed it. This is riding around in a 1948 Chevy Coupe with a small block Chevy with no mufflers. Just straight pipe. Like, comment, share, whatever floats your boat. No. Not today. We're in Mexico. Anyway, like, comment, share, subscribe.